welcome to my channel Yajva Electronics by Yajva. Today I am going to show you motion sensor and flame sensor. Now I am showing you the project I have made using the motion sensor. For this project I have used PIR motion sensor, LCD module, buzzer, Arduino board, jumper wires. Now I am telling you how this project works. When nothing is moving in front of the motion sensor, it sends the signal to the Arduino board and the LCD module says normal. If the motion sensor senses the movement in front of it, and then it sends the signal to the Arduino board. The Arduino board sends the signal to the LCD module. The LCD module says motion detected. Now I'll show you how this project works. Now, when nothing is moving in front of the PIR motion sensor, the LCD module says normal. When my hand senses, you can see in the LCD module that it says motion detected, and the buzzer also beeps. Now, I'll show you it one more time. Now I'm going to show you the flame sensor. Now you can see I am connecting VCC to VCC, ground to ground, and digital output pin to digital output. Now I have connected the flame sensor. Now I'll show you how it. Now if in front of the flame sensor some flame is happening, the flame sensor senses the flame and sends the signal to the Arduino board. Arduino board sends the signal to the buzzer and LCD module. Then the LCD module says flame detected. If nothing is no flames in front of the flame sensor, then the LCD module says normal. Now I will show you how this project works. Bye guys, see you in my next video. I'll come with an interesting sensor.